everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the incredible health benefits of sunshine, which is one of God's health principles. Here again, I wish I could bottle the sunshine up or put it in capsules to help as many people with their health problems. I've noticed not many people have enough exposure to the sun. It could be because they are busy, very busy, or they forget or don't know how important it is to expose ourselves in the sun for our physical health, or they don't tend to prioritize their health, or they love to have their blinds or drapes or curtains drawn and their windows down for security, privacy, or to protect themselves from the glare of the sun. Whatever the case it may be, when we don't have enough exposure to the sun, it causes a number of health issues. Now let's look at when we don't have enough exposure to the sun, what effects it has on our health. Number 1, vitamin D deficiency. Number 2, mood changes. We are more moody, easily irritated when we have reduced serotonin levels, or we are more tired due to the melatonin. Number 3, circadian rhythm disrupted. That means it's harder for us to fall asleep, or our metabolism slows down. It affects our digestion, appetite, and weight, or it causes vision problems. We are more likely to develop nearsightedness when we don't have enough sun exposure, or it causes poor immune system, so we are more susceptible to sickness or illness. Now let's look at the sign of vitamin D deficiency. Number 1, fatigue. We feel tired and we have low energy. And number 2, bone health. It causes aches and pain in the bone, like back pain and all. And it causes muscle weakness or cramps, or mood changes, or hair loss, trouble sleeping, frequently ill or sick, or weight gain, or we have pale skin or unhealthy looking skin, and joint pain like arthritis, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, and loss of appetite and slower wound healing, like especially when we get cut or when we have wounds in winter when we don't get enough sun. It swells up and our skin will be so tight and hurt. Let's look at research findings. According to American Journal of Nutrition, vitamin D deficiency and decreased exposure to sun or solar UVB have been demonstrated to increase the risk of many common cancers like prostate, colon, and breast, and type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis, periodontal disease, inflammatory bowel disease, bone disease. And there are also indications that they may be associated with high blood pressure, heart failure, type 2 diabetes, schizophrenia, because vitamin D helps regulate inflammation in immune system. So of course, when we are deficient in vitamin D, we got all kinds of inflammation or sickness due to poor immune system. University of Alberta researchers, according to Folio, the University of Alberta Journal, researchers discovered fat cells shrink when exposed to the light emitted by the sun. And sunlight also has been associated with improving autoimmune diseases like arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease. The sun also helps with inflammatory skin conditions or psoriasis, or eczema, or acne. Now let's look at health benefits of sunshine. Number 1, provides vitamin D. The sun transforms cholesterol from the skin cells to vitamin D. Before we continue to look at the health benefits of sunshine, let's look at the health benefits of vitamin D. Bone health. Vitamin D helps with formation and maintenance of strong and healthy bones and helps improve immune function or immune health by lowering or reducing inflammation, autoimmune disease, and lowering infection rate. And number 3, weight loss. Help us lose weight. Number 4, prevent cancer, multiple sclerosis, autoimmune disease. And number 5, supports brain health, decreases depression and anxiety, and helps with heart health and blood vessels. So helps with stroke, heart attack, and high blood pressure, and lowers the risk of diabetes, and helps with muscle health to function and develop properly, and helps fight inflammation and pain, and it helps improve oral health. Earlier we saw that vitamin D helps with bones, and teeth are also small bones. And when vitamin D helps with inflammation, so if your gum is inflamed, it helps with your gum too. And it helps prevent mood disorder by increasing serotonin level. So now let's continue to look at the health benefits of sunshine. Besides providing vitamin D, number 2, sunshine is an efficient germ killer. UV rays kill bacteria. It inhibits tetanus, typhoid, tuberculosis, staph, and strep. And sunshine helps boost serotonin level that regulates mood, sleep-wake cycle, appetite, cognitive function like learning and memory. And sunshine helps reduce melatonin, helps you stay awake. And the heat and humidity from the sun helps kill viruses, even COVID viruses. And sunshine helps boost immune system. Yes, sunshine increases oxygen and negative ions that helps increase numbers of white blood cells, fighter cells, to fight against germs, viruses, bacteria, and all. Infrared from the sun helps reduce pain, improve circulation, helps with wound healing, skin rejuvenation, detoxification, heart health, relaxation, and recovery. And sunshine helps us lose weight by burning our fat cells. And sunshine detoxifies our body through expelling waste, through sweating, or by stimulating liver functions that filter harmful substances from the blood. And sunshine helps improve our vision. So it's important to expose our eyes to the sun to improve our eyesight. Let's look at advice on sunshine to gain the most out of sunshine. Number 1, in order to sunbathe, start gradually. Ideally, if possible, the whole body should be exposed starting 5 minutes a day to 10 minutes a day to 35 to 45 minutes a day. And please make sure each side of the body gets sufficient amount or equal amount of sunshine each day. And experts recommended being in bright sunlight in the morning to increase melatonin levels, to fall asleep early and sleep better during the night. And open your blinds, drapes, curtains, or windows to let the sun rays in as free disinfected. Study found that 1 out of 16 bacteria survived after being exposed to the sun. That means 15 out of 16 bacteria die after being exposed to sunlight. Number 4, avoid sunburn. That means the skin should not turn red when you sunbathe. Your skin shouldn't feel burned. However, if you have lighter skin tone, you need lesser time in the sun. But if you have darker skin tone, you need more time in the sun. In spring and summer, we need to spend less time in the sun. But in fall and winter, we need to spend more time in the sun. Before the sun is too hot is the best time to sunbathe. And avoid free fat intake like unhealthy oils, margarine, dairy, meat products to reduce skin cancer. And when it comes to sunscreen, I would avoid it so that I don't expose myself more in the harmful chemicals that are in it. but it's up to you. And try sitting by a window, take outdoor break, wear light clothing, get direct sunlight as much as possible. And number 10, a cool shower should follow sunbathing to rinse off sweat and impurities. So friends, when we look at sunshine, the functions of the sunshine, we can see that it transforms like cholesterol into vitamin D, and it heals wounds and infections, and disinfects and kills bacteria and viruses, and strengthens bones and muscles, and boosts immune system, and helps improve our mood. The same thing spiritually too. We need to let Jesus, our sunshine, in to transform, heal, disinfect, boost our spiritual immune system, and to improve our mood, and to strengthen us spiritually. So friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now. Until my next video, the incredible health benefits of proper rest for your health. God bless.